Sudden catastrophic release, flash floods. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's special climate soup. Ingredients: heat, moisture, and chaos. Global temperature is rising fast. Stirring up trouble. Round and round we go. Ocean heat fuels the rotation of storms. Whoa, a bit too much energy there. Let's look at the data. Analysis mode. Weather patterns are changing globally. The planet is a complex machine. Everything is connected, ocean and sky. Hello, little cloud. You look feverish. More heat means more energy in the system. Extreme weather strikes unpredictably. Bless you, you are leaking everywhere. Warmer air holds more moisture. Humidity at 100%, saturation point. Imagine the atmosphere is a giant sponge, absorbing water from the oceans. Until it can't hold anymore. Oops! Squeeze! Flood alert! Sudden catastrophic release. Flash floods. Cities aren't built for this much water. But water isn't the only threat. Meet the wind. Atmospheric pressure differences create wind. Unleash the beast, Category 5. Extreme pressure drops fuel superstorms. Good grief! Wind strong enough to snap ancient trees. Infrastructure is tested to the limit. The scale of these storms is planetary. I'm okay, just breezy. We need to build stronger. Fun time over. Serious time now. Preparation saves lives. Early warning. Listen to the sirens. Warning systems give us precious time. Grab the go bag. Flashlight, check. Radio, check. Essential gear for when power fails. Water, meds, don't forget them. Be ready to survive for 72 hours. Know your route. Head to high ground. Have an evacuation plan before the storm hits. But defense is not enough. We need prevention. We must heal the atmosphere. Plant Plant trees, restore the balance.
Nature is the best storm barrier.
Restoring wetlands to soak up the floods. Love your planet. It's the only one we have. Clean energy reduces the heat. Turning down the global thermostat. Smart choices in every home. Clear skies are possible. Every action counts. Growth starts small. A future where technology and nature coexist. Restoring the natural rhythm. Powering our world without burning it. For the next generation. Protecting our home. Respect nature, and it will respect us. Staying cool is the goal. The storm can pass. Clarity, purity, life. After the rain, there is a rainbow. Together, we are resilient. We can do this. Be safe.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.